everyone, my name is Rashi and I am from Personal Tutor, and today we will be starting with our example number 15 of chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Linear Equations in One Variable. Class 8. So children, till example number 14 we have done in our last video. So in this video we will be starting with example 15. Example 15 is on page number 31 of our NCERT book. So page number 31, example 15 says, Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. Five years ago, his age was 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Find their present ages. So Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. So from this statement we can take the name जिसको हम x ले सकते हैं, जिसकी age को हम x ले सकते हैं. For example, suppose Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. Arjun twice है, मतलब 2 times है, जितना Shreya है उससे Arjun 2 times है. तो अगर Shreya की age को x ले लिया जाए तो Arjun की age will be 2x. Okay, so the solution will be let Shreya's age be x years. If Shreya's age is x years, Arjun's age will be 2x years. Why? Because Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. Twice means 2 times. Okay, or double. Now 5 years ago. Now 5 years ago means 5 years back. पहले. ठीक है, अगर मैं आपसे बोलूँ your age is 15 years right now. Okay, and tell me what was your age 5 years ago. So what you will do? 15 minus 5. So you will tell ma'am I was 10 years 5 years ago. So we subtract. In order to go back in time, we subtract. So it means in this question also 5 years ago we have to subtract 5 from both their present ages. So according to the question, what we will do? X minus 5 and 2x minus 5. तो दोनों की जो age है वो 5 years ago आ गई. This is the age of Shreya 5 years ago and this is the age of Arjun 5 years ago. So 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. मतलब Arjun 5 years ago भी 3 times था Shreya's age के. मतलब 3 times हम किस side पे लिखेंगे? I told you that जो 3 times होता है उससे opposite side पे 3 लिखा जाएगा. Why? Because हमें equation को equal करना है. So 3 times Arjun था, Arjun की age ये है, but 3 we will write here. Why? Because we have to equate, इन दोनों को equate करना है. Suppose I tell you 2 equals to 6. Okay, and I told you that जो ये 6 है ये 2 का 3 टाइम्स है, ठीक है। तो अब आप अगर 3 इधर ही लिख दोगे तो ये 18 हो जाएगा, बट अगर आप 3 इधर लिख दोगे ऑन द LHS सो ये 6 equals to 6 हो जाएगा, ठीक है। सो हमें इक्वल करना है, दैट्स वाई वी राइट 3, जो 3 टाइम्स है, अर्जुन 3 टाइम्स है, बट स्टिल वी राइट 3 ऑन ऑपोजिट साइड ताकि वो इक्वल हो जाए। सो नाउ we have to calculate this equation and find the value of x, and जो भी x आएगा that will be Shriya's present age, and then we will calculate Arjun's present age. So we know that what we will do in this equation now, we will multiply 3 by x first, and then we will multiply 3 by minus 5. So 3 into x is 3x, 3 into minus 5, 3 5s are 15, but sign minus का equals to 2x minus 5. Now we can see variable is on the both side, but we will transpose it to the one side, and on the other side we will have all the constant terms. So 3x as it is, 2x was positive here, so negative 2x equals to minus 5 as it is. This is minus 15, so it will be positive 15. So 3x minus 2x is x equals to plus minus minus. So 15 minus 5 is 10, and sign big digit ka, that is positive. So it means x comes out to be 10. So Shriya's present age is 10 years. And Arjun's present age is 2 into x, so it means 2 into 10, so that is 20 years. So Shriya's present age is 10 years and Arjun's present age is 20 years. I hope this example is clear. This was example number 15 of chapter 2. Now let's come to the next example. Example number 16 is on page number 32. So page number 32, example 16. Also I forgot to write the heading, examples. So example 16 says solve, and the equation is 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 equals to x minus 3 upon 6. So this is our equation, and we have to solve and find the value of x. So as we can see, we have variables on both sides, and we have to shift them to one side and constant terms on the other side. So this is the variable term, this is also variable term, and this is the constant term. So we write 6x plus 1 upon 3 as it is. This will be shifted to the LHS. तो ये हो जाएगा minus x minus 3 upon 6 equals to minus 1. Okay? Because it was plus 1, तो जब ये इधर shift होगा ये हो जाएगा minus 1. Now our next step is to take the LCM. 3 and 6 the LCM होगा 6. Okay? Now this will be 3 into 2. So this will be also into 2 into 1. So this will also be into 1. Okay, because we multiply same number in the numerator and denominator, so that's why we multiplied 2 here also, and we multiplied 1 here also. So now 2 into 6x plus 1 माइनस x माइनस 3 एज इट इज, बिकॉज इंटू 1 तो सेम ही रहता है, इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1 एज इट इज. नाउ this will be, now what we can do children, this 6 is in division with this whole term, so हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको इधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई करा सकते हैं. माइनस 1 इंटू 6 इज माइनस 6, so ये माइनस 6 हो जाएगा एंड यहाँ पे सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर रह जाएगा. so एंड न्यूमरेटर सॉल्व भी कर देंगे. so first we will multiply 2 by 6x and then we will multiply 2 by 1. Okay, so 2 into 6x is 12x plus 2 into 1 is 2 minus x plus 3 minus minus plus हो जाएगा plus 3 equals to minus 1 into 6. Okay, because 6 was in division, so अब multiply हो जाएगा. Now 12x minus x is 11x and 2 plus 3 is 5 equals to minus 6. Now 11x equals to, ये पॉजिटिव 5 इधर जाके नेगेटिव 5, सो माइनस माइनस प्लस 11 एंड साइन माइनस का. नाउ फॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ x we will transpose 11 also and 11 will be in division because right now it is in multiplication. So minus 11 upon 11 which gives us minus 1. The value of x comes out to be minus 1. Okay. Now after calculating the value, now we have to check whether our answer is right or not. So in order to check, what we will do, we will put the value of x minus 1 in LHS and RHS separately. So LHS is 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 and x is minus 1. So 6 into minus 1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. Okay. Now minus 6 plus 1 plus minus minus means 5 and sign negative because 6 is greater. Now minus 5 upon 3 plus 1 upon 1. Okay. So अब इसका LCM हो जाएगा upon 3. Okay. Let's continue here. So now the LCM will be minus 5 upon 3 plus 1 upon 1. तो इसका LCM हो जाएगा 3. Now what we'll do? This will be into 1 into 1 into 3 into 3. So this will be minus 5 plus 3. So minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 upon 3. So this gives us minus 2 upon 3. तो ये हमारे पास LHS में आया minus 2 upon 3. Now we will check RHS में put करके value कि RHS की value क्या आती है. So RHS equals to x minus 3 upon 6. So minus 1 minus 3 upon 6. Minus minus plus 4 and sign minus का. Now 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. So this comes out to be minus 2 upon 3. So it means LHS equals to RHS. And LHS equals to RHS, it means our answer is correct. X is minus 1 only. X minus 1 ही है. Our answer is correct. कैसे पता चला? Because जब हमने x की वैल्यू पुट करी -1 इन LHS एंड RHS सेपरेटली, वी गॉट आंसर सेम. आंसर क्या है हमारे पास? -2 upon 3 -2 upon 3. Okay, so this was our example number 16. Now let's come to the next example. Now children, example number 17. example 17 is also on the same page, page number 32. Okay, and the question is again solve, and the equation is 5x minus 2, 2x minus 7 equals to 2, 3x minus 1 plus 7 upon 2. So this is the equation, and now we have to solve for the value of x. So again, what we will do, first we will open the brackets, and in order to open the brackets we know that we have to multiply 2 by 2x first, then we will multiply 2 by minus 7. Similarly, 2 will be multiplied by 3x first, then 2 will be multiplied by minus 1. Okay, now this is 5x as it is, minus 2 into 2x is minus 4x, and minus 2 into minus 7 is plus 14 equals to 2 into 3x is 6x, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 7 upon 2 as it is. Now taking the, now first we will calculate this. 5x minus 4x is x, so x plus 14 equals to 6x minus 2 plus 7 upon 2. Now we will take all the constant terms on one side and variable terms on the other side. So x as it is minus 6x, because 6 was positive, 6x was positive here, so जब इधर आएगा it will be negative, equals to minus 2 as it is plus 7 upon 2 as it is minus 14 upon 1 हो जाएगा ये. Why? Because it was positive 14, now इधर आके negative 14. Now taking the LCM of these three numbers, and यहाँ पे ये तो हो जाएगा minus 5x. Why? Because plus minus minus, so 6 minus 1 is 5, and sign big digit, that is 6, so minus 5x equals to upon में 2 आ जाएगा LCM. Okay, now into 2 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 2 into 2. Now this will be minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 plus 7 into 1 is 7 minus 14 2s are 28. So this comes out to be our numbers. Now we will calculate plus minus, sorry minus minus होता है plus. So 28 plus 4 is 32 and sign negative, and minus 32 plus 7 is plus minus minus, तो ये हो गया 25 and sign negative. So this is minus 25 upon 2 and minus 5x as it is. Now for the value of x we will take minus 5 to RHS. So x equals to minus 25 upon 2 upon minus 5. Minus 5 was in multiplication, तो यहाँ पे divide होगा. And I told you that whenever we have double fraction, we reciprocal the last term and write it in multiplication, like x equals to minus 25 upon 2 into 1 upon minus 5. Now minus से minus cut, 5 5 is 25, so the value of x comes out to be 5 upon 2. X comes out to be 5 upon 2. Now let's check. अब ये हमारा आंसर तो आ गया, x आ गया 5 upon 2. अब चेक करने के लिए we have to put the value of x in LHS and RHS. So LHS is 5x minus 2, 2x minus 7. This is LHS. So 5x minus 4x plus 14. ये तो हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट किया ही था, तो ये आ गया x plus 14. Now the value of x is 5 upon 2. So 5 upon 2 plus 14 upon 1. So ये हो गया upon 2. So into 1 upon 1 into 2 into 2. So 5 plus 28. 28 plus 5 is 32. 33, right? 28 plus 5 is 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So 33 upon 2. Now we have to check RHS में भी 33 आता है, 33 upon 2 आता है या फिर नहीं. So RHS is 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 upon 2. So 6x minus 2 plus 7 upon 2. Okay. Now the value of x is 5 upon 2. So 6, 5 upon 2 minus 2 plus 7 upon 2. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. तो ये हो गया 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2 is plus 7 upon 2. So 15 minus 2 is 13. 13 plus 7 upon 2. So ये हो गया upon 2. Again we will take LCM. So ये है 1 second children. हमारे पास अभी क्या इक्वेशन है? वी हैव 15 minus 2 plus 7 upon 2. Okay, so now we will take LCM. Let's take LCM upon 2 कर देते हैं. तो ये हो जाएगा into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 into 1. So 15 2s are 30. 30 minus 4 plus 7. 37 minus 4. ठीक है, तो 33. So again we got 33 upon 2. So LHS equals to RHS. It means that our answer is correct. The value of x is 5 upon 2 only. If LHS and RHS differs, अगर वो same नहीं आते, it means हमने कहीं पे mistake करी है. So हमें again check करना पड़ेगा. But our answer is correct because LHS equals to RHS. So this was our example number 17. Okay, so this was our example number 17 of exercise of chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Now example number 18 and 19 are left. So example number 18 is again solve. Solve for the value of x. So example number 18 is on page number 34. Page number 34 of NCERT book. So the example is solve x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 equals to 3 upon 8. So now अब हम इस इक्वेशन को ऑब्जर्व करें. सो वी कैन सी दैट इसमें हमें क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. x plus 1 by 8 and 2x plus 3 by 3. So x plus 1 into 8 equals to 3 into 2x plus 3. We have to multiply. Now we know that 8 will be first multiplied by x and then by 1. Similarly, 3 will be multiplied by 2x and then 3 into 3. So 8 into x is 8x plus 8 into 1 is 8 equals to 3 into 2x is 6x plus 3 into 3 is 9. So 8x minus 6x equals to 9 minus 8 because positive था तो negative हो गया. Similarly, positive था तो negative हो गया. So 8x minus 2 is 8x minus 6x is 2x and 9 minus 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. So the value of x comes out to be 1 upon 2. Alright. So this is the value of x. Now let's check. Now again let's check whether our answer is right or not. So for that we will take LHS. LHS is x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3. ठीक है. Now we will take LHS and find out कि 3 upon 8 आएगा या फिर नहीं, because यहाँ पे तो variable है ही नहीं. So we have to calculate only LHS. Now x is half. Okay. So this will be written as half plus 1 upon 2 into half plus 3. Okay. Now half plus 1 तो हमें LCM लेना पड़ेगा, but इधर 2 से 2 कट हो रहा है. So this becomes 1 plus 3 is 4. So we get half plus 1 upon 4. ठीक है. Now our next step is to take the LCM of half and 2 and 1. So 2 and 1 का LCM होता है 2. So ये हो गया हमारे पास into 1 upon 1 into 1 into 1 into 2 into 2. Okay. So this comes out to be 1 plus 2 upon 4 as it is. 1 plus 2 is 3. So ये आ गया 3 upon 2 upon 4. Okay. And now I told you the last number will be reciprocal. So this becomes 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 4. So 3 upon 8. And 3 upon 8 equals to RHS. Hence our answer is correct. The value of x is half only. Okay. So this was our example number 18. Now children, the last example of this chapter, example number 19 says, example number 19 is on page number 35. Okay. So example 19, page number 35. The example says, present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years from now, ratio of their ages will be 8 years from now, ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. So again, the question says, present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5, which means that we have to let the present age of Anu be 4x, okay, and the present age of Raj be 5x. Okay, because 4:5 here, so I told you that whenever we are given something in ratio, we take that as 4x and 5x respectively. Okay, so the present age of Anu is 4x and the present age of Raj is 5x. Now 8 years from now, according to the question, we know that we have to add 8 in both of their ages, because 8 years from now is आगे आने वाले 8 years. ठीक है, so it means that we will write 4x plus 8 and 5x plus 8. And 8 years from now, ratio of their ages will be 5:6. अब ये जो 8 years from now है, ये भी एक age अनु की है, and this is the age of Raj. And also we are given the ratio of their ages. It means that ये वाली जो ratio है is equal to this ratio. So this can be written as 4x plus 8 upon 5x plus 8 equals to 5 upon 6. And now we have to calculate the value of x. Children, हमने ये दोनों equal क्यों लिखी? Because see, 8 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. This was given. Okay, this was given in the question. And 4x plus 8 and 5x plus 8 ये हमने कैलकुलेट किया. 8 years from now में 8 ऐड कर दिया, प्रेजेंट एज में 8 ऐड कर दिया, सो वी कैलकुलेटेड. अब नाउ 8 years from now ही ये एज भी है एंड 8 years from now ही ये रेशो भी है, सो दैट्स वाई दे आर इक्वल एंड वी राइट इट एज दिस. बिकॉज जब भी रेशो होती है तो अब रेशो है 5:6 तो वो 5/6 ही लिखी जाती है. सो इट मीन्स अब ये हो गया. सो नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 6 by 4x plus